elementary school, I need to be safe at an assembly. I keep my hands, feet, and objects to myself. I keep my coat and book bag on or sit on my coat. I sit in my assigned area. I surround myself with good, positive people.
I need to be respectful at an assembly. I will have my eyes and ears on the presenters. I am quiet when others are talking. I am quiet during transitions.
I need to be responsible at an assembly. I do the right thing even when no one is watching. I laugh and have fun at the appropriate times. I remove my hat during the Pledge of Allegiance. I throw my trash away and pick up trash around me.
I need to be here at an assembly. I sit up straight and tall. I participate when expected. I'm attentive to the person talking. I am my best self and a proud Bulldog.
Be safe, be respectful,
Be responsible.
And be here
at an assembly.